mga trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Usap-usapan na ang podcast ni Donnie at Belle sa KC After Hours na kung saan low-key nilang inamin ang tunay na estado ng kanilang relasyon. Hindi man diretsahan ang kanilang pag-amin ay super understandable naman ang kanilang mga sinabi. Katulad na lang sa sinabi ni Belle na this is the healthiest we've ever been, he's my soulmate, at sa sagot ni Donnie sa tanong na did you mistake it for love na ayon nga kay Donnie, I don't think it was a mistake. Ang mga sinabi na iyon ni Donnie at Belle ay isang low-key confirmation kung ano sila Donnie at Belle ngayon. Gets na gets at nakaka-proud sila lalo of how they answers the questions with humor na di na kailangang diretsang sabihin ang kanilang real status. Low-key kasi yung sagot ni Donnie kasi ang tanong ni Miss Carmina, did you mistake it for love at one point? Parang ang meaning nun is baka daw akala lang nila love pero hindi talaga. Pero nung sinabi ni Donnie na I don't think it's a mistake, parang ang dating kong naging laban yon, hindi siya pagkakamali. Kaya gets bakit maraming kinilig sa sagot niya, especially kasi yung first statement niya about Belle was very personal and deep. Someone I can be myself with, plus teammate at comfort person vibes. Hindi siya normal na co-star description lang for many fans. Pero syempre, unless direkta nilang i-confirm, technically, assumptions pa rin siya, pero aminin natin medyo giving soft lunch energy yung sagot. Maging si Mami Bang ay napakomento rin. Home, soulmate, private, genuine. Hashtag Donbell, hashtag Donnie and Belle, hashtag sana gets nyo na, hashtag sila sa wakas. At ayun nga dito sa ilang komento, home is Donbell, and no matter how far life take us, our heart will always return to them. Donbell has always been authentic and honest with their feelings, only that they choose to say it loudly through actions. It took them years to build their stable foundation and peace. As true fans, we know it's something they will always fight to protect, no room for doubt. I don't think it was a mistake from the start. He knows he found the one. His first love, his only exception, Belinda. Watching them love, respect, and support each other so gently, honesty restores my faith that healthy relationship still exists. This perfectly fits here. No one can break them apart. Iwanan man sila ng lahat, they got each other. Hanggang sa wakas, and that's what matters to them. Hi sa mga mataas IQ at EQ dyan, mga nasaktan man pero pinili intindihin at dog showin mga bagay to cope up cause at the end of the day, it will always be for Donnie and Belle. Kayo mga kabablis, anong opinion nyo at reaction nyo tungkol dito? I-comment na. Hanggang dito na lang, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood.